I used to hate book reading, but now it's become part of my life. Hi, once again back with another video. In this video, I'm going to talk about my book reading life experience, how I started book reading journey. So the first question arises in our mind, how I started book reading journey. So in 2021, first, my brother brought a book, The Millionaire Mindset. So when he brought books, so I asked him, why you bring this book? Told me, I will read this book. So I asked, what happened when you will read this book? So they told me, if I will read this book, then I can get some good ideas from this book, because I have seen the common habits in every successful people. They are reading books. So that's why I will also read book. I was just laughing, like, by reading a book, you can become a millionaire and billionaire. Brother, tell me yes, because every millionaire and billionaire, they read books. That's why I thought I should also start reading the books, and that's why I just bring the first book. Second question, my first book. So my first book was The Millionaire Mindset. When I started reading, so I was not getting any points. I was not relating any thoughts of that book from my life. So I was thinking I'm just wasting my time. So my first book was The Millionaire Mindset, which are in my hand right now. Let me just show you. Yeah. This book was The Secret of Millionaire Mindset, which is written by T. Harv Eker. So this was my first book, which I started reading in my life very first time, which my brother brought. Then I started reading. Third, my initial struggle when I started book reading. What was the problem that I faced a lot, and what is the problem that you will also face in your life? So when I started reading the books, I was not getting anything from that book. I was not understanding anything. So I asked my brother, I'm reading these things, but I don't think I'm just learning anything from this book. So they just told me, you will learn by the time. So first you just need to start reading book right now. One day definitely you will get something from this book. Then I said, yeah, I will learn. I will read this book. So I started reading the book. Then I thought I should start reading English book. So when I started reading English book, I faced a lot of problems. In beginning, I was not getting any words meaning. I was not even able to read, even able to pronunciate in a right way the words which is written in the book. So my brother told me, just keep continuing. By the time you will able to understand and you will able to speak also. So continue to reading English book. And now I can clearly understand, even just because of reading English book, I can also speak in English. And as you can see right now, I am making video in English. It's all happened just because of I started reading book. How I made reading as a habit. So in beginning, when I started reading, my mind was saying don't read because I'm not getting. And after reading 1 and 2 pages, I get bored. My minds went from here to there and I can't concentrate on reading. So one thing which I told myself that from today, I will read 5 pages per day, and I just set a timer for that. In morning at 6 a.m., I will start reading books and I will read at least 5 pages. And each and every single day, I was reading 5 pages per day, and that's how it's become my habits. And right now, I'm not facing any problem to reading this book. I don't have to put extra effort to read any books nowadays. So that's how it's become my habit. Book that changed my mind. Yeah, everybody just curious to know what was the book that changed my mind. So let me just show you the book which I read that completely changed my my thinking pattern and changed my life. That teeny changes remark results. The Atomic Habits, which is written by James Clear. If you will read this book, you will exactly know how a new habits we can adopt in our life and how we can eliminate bad habits from our life. So one of the quotes which I read in this book, if you will go to gym for 5 and 7 days, still you didn't make your butt. If you will invest your money for 5 and 7 days, you will not grow your money. If you will read books, you will not change your mindset. If you will do push up and exercise, you will not make your body. So all the things which will happen over time, and that's required consistency. If you will consistent in any field, you will become successful person. So that things changed my mindset, and nowadays I only believe in consistency. If I will consistent on any work, then definitely I will get result from that work. Benefit I got from book reading. There is a lot of benefit I got from book reading. Like I improved my focus, clear thinking, I built confidence, I also increase my knowledge. So this is the things that you will increase, that you will build inside yourself when you will start reading the books. So that's why I'm telling you to read books. So right now the books which I am reading, that is the one things which is written by Gary Keller with Jay Prashan. So this is one of the best book on your productivity, because the one things it means you just need to do a work with at a time. In this book you will learn so many things, how to do startups, and also you have to focus at a work. So that is going to change your life forever. These were the things which I learned and I thought I should share with, and I can guide you one things. If you are reading any books, you just need to read that book consistency. And most important things, if you are reading books and you are not applying the things which is written in that books, then you are just wasting your time. So you just need to apply the things which you are reading in that book, so that you will get results in your life. Let me know in the comment section which book that you are reading right now, because reading is the fuel for your mindset. So that's why you should start reading, and make sure the things which you have read in the book, you should bring that in your real life, so that you can make most out of from that. Till then, bye. See you in the next.